Are you tired of giving up comfort for off-grid exploration? Discover the secret to unsurpassed luxury on the road. The finest overlanding vehicles that push the limits of adventure. Stay tuned as we reveal the most stunning setups that will have you packing for your next epic adventure. If you're ready to go, close the door behind you by clicking the subscribe button and get in. Number 10. Freedom Mog 2.0. The Freedom Mog 2.0 is a rugged overland camper built on the iconic Mercedes-Benz Unimog U 1300L chassis. Priced at a starting point of $150,000, this off-grid companion seamlessly blends comfort and adventure, making it a compelling choice for those seeking an extraordinary expedition experience without breaking the bank. With its handcrafted pinewood finishes, cozy four-person layout, and compact yet functional kitchen, the Freedom Mog 2.0 promises to elevate your remote excursions, providing you with a truly comfortable home away from home. Despite its more modest price point compared to some luxury overlanding vehicles, the Freedom Mog 2.0 delivers exceptional off-road capabilities thanks to the renowned Unimog platform, ensuring you can tackle the most challenging terrains with confidence. For adventurers seeking a balance of affordability and comfort in their overlanding journeys, the Freedom Mog 2.0 stands out as a well-equipped and durable option that doesn't compromise on the essential creature comforts. Number 9. Unicat in 72H Retreat. Priced at a staggering $1.5 million, the Unicat in 72H Retreat is a 23-foot vehicle engineered to provide unparalleled comfort and security in any climate. With a robust frame, insulated fiberglass panels, and advanced anti-theft features, this mobile sanctuary offers a luxurious retreat for the most discerning adventurers. Step inside and discover a generous U-shaped seating area, a lavish double bed, and a meticulously crafted kitchen and bathroom that rival the finest hotel accommodations. Every detail, from the teak countertops to the underfloor heating in the bathroom, has been meticulously designed to deliver an uncompromising blend of comfort and functionality. Whether you're seeking to escape the daily grind or embark on a grand expedition, the Unicat in 72H Retreat is the perfect companion, providing a 5-star experience wherever your travels may lead. Number 8. SLRV Commander 8x8. Intrigued by the sheer opulence of the Unicat Retreat, our journey now takes us to the remarkable SLRV Commander 8x8, a 2-story overlanding wonder from Australia. Priced at a staggering $2 million, this impressive 8-wheel behemoth is engineered to conquer any terrain, while offering the unparalleled comforts of a luxurious mobile home. Imagine traversing rugged landscapes, crossing treacherous rivers, and scaling formidable mountains, all while your family enjoys the spacious upstairs living area, complete with a lavish master suite downstairs for ultimate relaxation. With its advanced off-grid power system, multi-tank water storage, and uncompromising 8x8 capabilities, the SLRV Commander 8x8 is the ultimate expression of overlanding luxury and adventure. This mobile 2-story wonder seamlessly blends cutting-edge engineering with the finest amenities, allowing you to venture deep into the wilderness without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're embarking on a family expedition or seeking a truly transformative solo adventure, the SLRV Commander 8x8 is the pinnacle of overlanding exploration, redefining the boundaries of what's possible on the road less traveled. Number 7. Iveco Daily 4x4 Camper. As we transition from the grandeur of the SLRV Commander, let's explore a more compact yet equally impressive overlanding option, the Iveco Daily 4x4 Camper. Priced at around $400,000, this rugged 4x4 vehicle from Italy's Iveco brand combines exceptional off-road performance with a surprisingly spacious and well-appointed interior. It is like traversing remote landscapes with the comforts of home, thanks to its electric beds, fully equipped kitchen, and even a washer-dryer system. Despite its compact footprint, the Iveco Daily 4x4 Camper is a true adventure-ready companion, perfect for those seeking the freedom to explore without compromising on creature comforts. Number 6. Earthroamer SX. Priced at a remarkable $1 million, the Earthroamer SX represents the pinnacle of overlanding luxury and capability. This extraordinary vehicle is meticulously engineered to tackle the most rugged terrains with unparalleled grace and comfort. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of sophistication, featuring rich leather upholstery, elegant wood accents, and high-end amenities that would impress even the renowned culinary icon, Gordon Ramsay. With seating for up to 6 passengers and a lavish shower, the Earthroamer SX offers the comforts of a 5-star hotel, all while being your ticket to unforgettable adventures. Automated steps provide easy access, ensuring a seamless transition between the great outdoors and your mobile sanctuary. Whether you're seeking to explore remote destinations or enjoy a luxurious off-grid escape, the Earthroamer SX is the ultimate companion, redefining the boundaries of what's possible in the overlanding world. Number 5. Unidan Global Explorer. Transitioning from the luxurious Earthroamer SX, we now explore the rugged capabilities of the Unidan Global Explorer, a formidable off-road motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U218 chassis. Priced at $500,000, this compact yet powerful overlanding vehicle is engineered to conquer the most challenging terrains, from the Simpson Desert to the harshest winter landscapes. With a custom 480-liter fuel tank, the Global Explorer boasts an impressive range of 2,000 kilometers, ensuring you can venture deep into the wilderness without frequent refueling. Step inside this mobile sanctuary and discover an east-west queen bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a comfortable dinette, all while enjoying the protection of its camo paint job and heavy-duty winches. Designed to tackle the toughest off-road conditions, the Unidan Global Explorer is the ultimate companion for those seeking uncompromising adventure and the freedom to explore the most remote destinations. Number 4. Global XRS 7200. Leaving the Unidan Global Explorer behind, we now turn our attention to the impressive Global XRS 7200, a powerful 6x6 all-wheel drive motorhome built in Austria on a robust MAN chassis. Priced at a staggering $1 million, this remarkable vehicle is equipped with a 720 horsepower engine that drives all 6 wheels, allowing it to conquer any terrain with ease. Featuring a striking military green exterior, the Global XRS 7200 boasts an array of impressive features, including dual 400-liter diesel tanks, a 720-liter freshwater tank, a central tire inflation system, and even a hydraulic motorcycle lift. Step inside this luxurious mobile home and you'll be greeted by elegant wood paneling, stone flooring, and a versatile dining table that can be converted into a bed, ensuring your off-grid adventures are filled with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Number 3. Monster Baja. Priced at $448,000, the Monster Baja offers a more compact overlanding option compared to the powerful Global XRS 7200. This camper truck features an innovative actuating topper, providing a lower center of gravity and easier access to remote destinations without compromising on comfort. Despite its compact design, the Baja excels on rugged terrain, with all-terrain capabilities and excellent traction that make it a capable companion even in snowy environments. Step inside and you'll find a cozy cab-over queen-sized bed, a versatile dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space, and a fully equipped kitchen, seamlessly blending adventure with the comforts of home. The Monster Baja delivers an impressive overlanding experience within a more compact, maneuverable package. Number 2. SLRV Commander 4x4, priced at around $960,000. The SLRV Commander 4x4 blends exceptional off-road prowess with the comforts of a luxurious mobile home. Built on the renowned MAN four-wheel drive platform, this overlanding beast is engineered to conquer any terrain. Step inside the spacious interior, and you'll be greeted by an electric king bed, a large lounge area accommodating up to 6 passengers, and a fully equipped galley featuring premium Miele appliances, allowing you to indulge in gourmet cooking on the go. The rear ensuite and enclosed gear garage further enhance the SLRV Commander 4x4's functionality as the ultimate overlanding sanctuary. Whether traversing remote landscapes, crossing rivers, or scaling mountains, the SLRV Commander 4x4 provides the perfect balance of rugged capability and refined living. This mobile luxury retreat is ready to whisk you away on unforgettable adventures, seamlessly combining the thrill of the outdoors with the comforts of home. Number 1. Storyteller GXV Epic. Transitioning from the impressive SLRV Commander 4x4, we now turn our attention to the Storyteller GXV Epic, a remarkable overlanding powerhouse built on a Kenworth K370 chassis. Priced at a substantial $696,000, this vehicle is equipped with a 6.7-liter diesel engine, an Allison 3500 HD transmission, and Storyteller's exclusive 4x4 conversion, making it ready for any adventure. Featuring premium components like King shocks, Alcoa rims, and massive 44-inch Goodyear tires, the GXV Epic is designed to conquer the most challenging terrains. Its massive 200-gallon diesel tank allows for up to 1,800 miles of exploration without the need to refuel. Step inside this luxurious mobile sanctuary and discover a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, a full bathroom, and even a washer-dryer, ensuring your off-grid adventures are filled with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Despite its substantial $696,000 price tag, the Storyteller GXV Epic is more than just a vehicle. It's an overlanding powerhouse engineered to handle the toughest conditions while providing the amenities of a well-appointed home. Whether traversing remote landscapes or seeking a luxurious escape from civilization, this overlanding beast is ready to take you on extraordinary journeys without compromise. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a comment about the next type of vehicle we may discuss in the next episode.